Pikcio folks, welcome back to yet another video where Pikcio answers your question. This week again we gather 3 questions across different channels, and we're gonna start right away from at xstarblade asking what's going on in Europe with regards to crypto regulation. How will the advances in the law will benefit or harm or change Pikcio and its users going forward? Do you expect any new laws on the horizon to facilitate the issuing of mainnet Pikcio token without a banking license? So actually I'm not maybe the best guy qualified regarding regulation and so, but I know things are moving forward. I don't know if it's a good direction or bad direction. Europe, all I know, it's still moving in different direction, whether you go from France to Switzerland, Spain, whatsoever. So it's still a fuzzy environment, but at least cannot be worse than it is today. And yeah, I mean, you said in the question, spoiler alert, we in the future we want to support for smart contract and therefore a special format for token and token sales. But more details will come upon that, and you'll see that your PKC will be for good use. But yeah, the regulation is moving forward. We hope it's going to be beneficial for us, even though it's might not come directly in the right direction that we're expecting. We still might find some plan B, and we actually have some plan B with some other location. But I guess Didier will speak more about it regarding his weekly updates regarding business, because this is mainly business oriented. So let's jump to the second question from @Mykolaisis. What solution did PikcioChain find for enterprise companies that require the processing of enormous amounts of data? Will there be any protocol integrated with their platform? Yeah, actually, we start to have more and more business, especially with big corporates that deal huge amount of data, even per seconds. I don't want to drop names out of the blue, but you probably have some cards that you use every day to pay, and these providers, there are mainly 2 in big world in the world. We're talking with them, and this is a huge problem for them, scalability in the blockchain. So since we are private, since the proof of usage, and since all the protocol like the Matryoshka for network optimization, we reach a very, I'll say, high ground regarding scalability, because at the end it's one matter for business, and this we understood great. So in some specific case, asking or needing a lot of strong scalability, we have a PikcioChain that is fully private use, permission based on small batches of masternodes that enable a huge, say, a very high scalability, and therefore we can match these new business cases that looks for this. And today, I must say, it's a big trouble for them, because current solution, they are not really built up to face such a high rate of transaction per second. Even though you can find Hyperledger having good response toward this particular aspect. Hyperledger is Hyperledger with IBM and stuff, and no token support on the top. I mean, it's a pretty weird environment. I must say, even we can debate the blockchain there. But this is something we integrated from the fundamental of what the PikcioChain is today. So yeah, you will see that more about later. Because Didier again is going to speak during the weekly update about what's going on and with who we are talking with. I mean, you already heard of Visa. More things are going to come over regarding this aspect.
그리고 교체 투입에 들어온 파드 선수인데요. 골키퍼 다리 사이 빠졌군요. 문은 열려 있습니다. 문은 열려 있는데요. 여기서 왼발 슈팅, 골퍼치가 한번 튀어나온 볼. 다시 한번 뒷공간 왼발 슛! 믿기지 않는 상황이 펼쳐졌습니다. 교체 투입에 들어온 파드 선수가 결정적인 이 기회, 아무도 없는 무인 지경.
From Atoshimoto the cat, asking, from the white paper, PikcioChain is currently a platform aiming to transform into a protocol within the coming 2 years. Okay, by offering a library of modular smart contracts, will enable clients to build their own custom marketplace on the top of the PikcioChain protocol. Can you please explain the term clients in reference to using the future Pikcio protocol? Will there be industry players like banks, governments, departments, or blockchain projects that are currently working within the secure identity sector? Actually, they can be both. They can be from the bank sectors, They can be particular projects that are already running around identity, around health, around IoT. Uh, we are not dedicated for one thing. I mean, for the ICO and to bootstrap what we are doing, we wanted to show that we work in the scope of personal data, of KYC data, and this is what we do best because this is where we have projects, this is where we have clients. But the PikcioChain can do way more things. So when you speak about clients here, and when the white paper is referring to that, especially in the world of smart contracts, the scope is not focused on one particular domain or one particular typology of business. Here it's pretty much open to everything. So everything that you listed there is potentially one of them. Again, like I said in my previous videos, what's gonna come regarding the PikcioChain and the new updates and smart contracts, you will see. We'll speak more about that in the coming days. This door is made for other things than KYC or personal data. This is something we're going to continue to do because this is the fundamental why we created Pikcio and the PikcioChain in the first place. But the technology enables to do way more things. And this is what we aim for, and this is what the client's word means in this particular sentence. So I guess I'm about over for this week. I invite you to stay tuned. Again, to ask any question on any channels. That's already great. I see that Michael Ozis or Tommy Moto the Cat, they already asked several questions. That's pretty awesome, guys. Keep doing that. I guess it's good for us to have a feedback from you, to know what you're thinking, what are your questions. That always helps the business at the end. So please keep on going, and see you next week. Bye.
Light.